Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how emotions, even when strong, do not define who we are. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Root down through your sitting bones, allowing your spine to lengthen through the crown of your head. Soften your face. Relax your neck. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears and find a comfortable place to rest your arms and hands. If you haven't yet, slowly close your eyes. Now turn to your breath. Notice what it feels to breathe effortlessly. Observe the movement of your breath wherever it manifests in your body. And now let your awareness widen. You're still aware of your body breathing, but you're also noticing whatever else is present in your experience. In particular, make room for any thoughts or emotions that arise. Emotions often accompany thoughts. Rather than getting distracted or letting yourself be carried away by the stories that often accompany thoughts, try observing your thoughts instead. Imagine you were outside, looking into your own experience. No judgments or labels, just watching thoughts and emotions as they come and go. Noticing how they shift and change if we let them. Almost like clouds drifting past us in a vast open sky. And if any emotions become overwhelming or overly distracting, narrow your awareness back to your breath flowing in and flowing out. Once you feel ready, return to broader attention. Observe your mental and emotional processes without getting involved with them. Now soften your attention. When we experience emotions, especially strong ones, it's easy to believe that they make up who we are as individuals. An emotion arises, and our mind launches into a story as we begin to think of our feelings rather than simply feeling them. Sadness may lead to thoughts such as, "Nobody loves me," or disappointment turns into, "I'm not good enough." And if we feed into them, our thoughts start to make up ideas or beliefs that feel like they define our worth or personality. Our meditation practice teaches us that our thoughts are only a mental process that arises and fades away. And we can approach our emotions in much the same way. We can learn to observe and feel them, accepting them without allowing them to define us. Instead of trying to analyze our feelings, we accept and welcome them. So rather than letting your emotions take over, let them remind you to be present. Remember that they are a state of being that will eventually shift and transform into something else. Rather than saying, "I am sad" or "I am angry," try saying, "I feel sad" or "I feel angry." This subtle difference helps you recognize that you are not under the control of your emotions. You are just experiencing them momentarily. Now, become aware of your body and space. Feel your breath flowing in and out. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Have a beautiful day, and we'll meet back here tomorrow.